So you decided to do some mods on the old Jeep. Well, you know, it's about time. The kids are done with the embarrassment of being dropped off at school with those tiny tires, and your Jeep's tired of you dragging its gas all over it's dragging its gas tank and frame over every trail and rock. Yeah, it's time. Then reality sets in. I have to drive this thing to work every day, and everybody still needs to be able to crawl into it, sometimes in a dress. Yeah, the function-battling desire struggle is real. How much lift do I need? How big a tire is big enough? And we haven't even started on the shock options here. Now, using that impressively smooth segue to shocks, if the motor is the Jeep's heartbeat, the shocks have definitely got to be the feet in our little metaphor. Now, it doesn't matter how much money you throw at a lift or even tires. Without a good set of shocks, your Jeep will never be all that it can be. But here's where it gets tricky. Does every Jeep need a set of coilovers with triple bypass remote reservoir shocks dangling next to it, peeking out from behind the front tire? Yeah, I don't think so. And neither do our engineers over at Falcon Shocks. What if you don't wheel your Jeep every day, but you do drive it endlessly, hauling kids around as well as using it as a daily? A daily driver that's still a Jeep. So it does see the occasional trail, and your desire for a good ride ranks right up there with your need for good value. TerraFlex's Falcon Shock team put together a shock that checks all the boxes: affordability, improved ride, stability, and comfort. The new 1.1 series Falcon Shocks are designed and tuned for the Jeep owner that is being pulled in all directions at once. My kids want to go to college. I want stability driving to work. The water heater just shelled out. I want to do some small lift changes on the Jeep, and I want some of those Falcon Shocks. The new JK, JL, or JT 1.1 Monotube Falcon Shocks have a smaller cost footprint, but have been vehicle-specifically designed for improved ride quality and comfort for a daily driven Jeep, both on or even off the road. The slightly smaller 2 1/8 inch hard anodized shock body and the 1/2 inch hardened chrome shaft will still resist rock damage on the trail and corrosion from those salt-infested roads on your daily commute. The 1.1 series Monotube is built with Falcon quality and at a price point that will get you the nod from the household's War Department.